Some tradespeople study for weeks, others for months. But the ones who stay consistent, they use smart tools, and often a great prep app. If you're preparing for the Red Seal electrical exam, you're probably juggling work, family, and fatigue. You don't have time to waste flipping through dozens of textbooks at night. That's where a prep app makes the difference. Let's break this down. The Red Seal electrical exam isn't about memorizing theory. It's about understanding how to apply your knowledge in real job site scenarios. You'll get around 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You'll have up to 4 hours to complete them. And topics often include code lookups, voltage drop calculations, diagrams, safety protocols, and troubleshooting. That's why using a Red Seal electrical exam prep app is a smart move. You can study anytime, on your break, on the bus, or after dinner. Apps let you review questions, track your progress, and test your speed. And when it's well designed, it feels like you've got a tutor in your pocket. The key is finding one that actually understands the trade. That's where RedSealStudyGuide.ca comes in. They've created downloadable tools that work just like an app. You get Q&A style books you can open on your phone or tablet. You get versions with explanations, so you're not just memorizing, you're understanding. And you can simulate the real exam using their online time tests. That kind of digital access makes studying flexible and stress-free. Even better, these tools are built for Canadian electricians preparing for the Red Seal. Nothing generic. Everything aligns with Red Seal occupational standards. So you're studying what matters, not wasting time. Now let's talk study strategy. Instead of starting from page 1, break your prep into categories. Spend a day reviewing safety. Then focus on calculations. Take a few practice tests. Review the explanations. Repeat. Apps and PDFs make it easy to stay organized. Highlight answers. Bookmark tough questions. Track which sections need more work. The best part? It builds your confidence. If you're a mature student, new to Canada, or returning to the trade after a few years, you're not alone. Thousands of tradespeople pass this exam every year. The difference often comes down to how they prepare. And with the Red Seal electrical exam prep app approach, you're not just studying, you're training. Just like you would for a real job. Remember, you've already done the hard work on the tools. Now it's time to back that up with focused, flexible prep. And if you're ready to take that next step, check out RedSealStudyGuide.ca. They've got the digital study resources you need. Whether you want simple Q&A, deeper explanations, or real-time exam simulations. This is your trade. This is your future. Make it count, with tools that work as hard as you do.